Hey guys, welcome back to the apartment maintenance channel. Today's video, we're going to be checking out a boroscope that was sent out to me from Depstech. Okay, it's the Depstech 50-foot dual lens endoscope camera with light, 1080p HD boroscope with split screen, a 7.9mm waterproof sewer inspection camera. Got a nice case. Okay, inside here, got our 50-foot of cable. And here's our display and our controls. Comes with a SD card. Okay, let's see what we have up in here. Alright, there's our instructions with the model number. Our charging cord. And a little valve. Has some other parts here, probably for the end of the camera. Well, this looks like one of those keys you would put in there to release an SD card per se, or reset. Looks like there's a magnet. Screw that on the end if you need to retrieve something. Got a hook. Put that on there. Need to grab something, pull it out. And the other piece just looks like an end that you would screw over the camera. Here's our camera. And this is the end piece you would screw off to change whether you wanted the hook on there or the magnet. That's your main camera on the end, and then your side camera is right there, and it has a light as well with the side camera. So let's power this up. Okay, hold this button 2 seconds to power up the endoscope. Now, I haven't read the instructions or anything, so I'm not 100% sure how to work it yet, but we'll figure it out here. This might be a little glare on it here from the light here in my shop. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, that looks like the brightness for our camera. Turns the light down for that. Alright, hold this one in. Looks like it flips the camera. Yep. Okay, let's try this one. That one there, I bet you that goes to the side camera. Yep, there's our side camera. That's our end and the side. You can see it's split screen. Top half is our main camera. This one's our side. Hold it again. Oops, wrong one. And then back. Oh, that's the flip. There we go. Now it's back to our main camera. With the glare from the light here in the shop, when I had the split screen on, it almost looked like the side camera had a little better picture, but I think they're the same. It's just the glare. Alright, then you got your camera and then record. So we can take a picture. Let's see here. There's our picture. Hold it in. and then we start recording. You can see up here the timer's starting to go, so we're recording. Hold it in to stop it. The OK button. Hold it in. Okay, there's our, looks like our video. So let's hit play and see our little 9-second video. Okay, and then there's our picture. Okay, let's go to menu. Alright, we will delete. Okay. Just go down to delete all. Okay. Okay. No files. Okay. Hold in menu. Let's try to get back or to our menu screen. There we go. So we got our resolution, language, auto power off, your screen brightness, format your card, reset the system, your time, date, how much space you have, data transmission, what version you're running, and back to resolution. So come here and format the card. Okay, formatting success. All right, we're gonna actually use this here, see how it really works. I have a spigot out here at the car care center that's leaking that I need to replace, and it's inside of a wall here, and I'm gonna drill a little hole and we'll put the endoscope in there, and I'm gonna see where I can find it. And once we locate it, I'm going to put an access panel in, so we'll drill a little hole in the wall and fish this through the wall here, and we'll see what it looks like inside a wall cavity. Okay, here's the wall. I'm going to drill a hole in here. We'll put the borescope in, see where we can find that water spigot, because it's in our shop here in this wall cavity. Go outside here and I'll show you what we're looking for. Right here is what we need to replace. As you can see, it goes in about 12 inches. This thing here doesn't shut off all the way. Okay, let's see if we can locate the pipe here. Okay, we're spinning it around. That's the ground right there. Nothing in this joist space. So right here, this joist space that we're close to, that pipe probably is on the other side of that joist space. Let's see if I can mess with the brightness here with the camera. Okay, it's off. Now we're just on one light. Yep, that's the ground. So it's not in this joist space. Twist it all the way around. We'll look up. I don't see a pipe up there either. Okay, I went ahead and drilled over into that other joist space and found the pipe. See, there's our pipe. I also turned it on the side camera, and there's where it goes out to the spigot. There, and you should be able to see it where it goes up to the top here where it drops down in the wall. There's our fitting where it threads in. Let's see if I can spin it. Okay, there it is going up towards the top of the building, and it comes down. Does a 90 right there and goes straight out to the exits the building right there. So it's actually a little bit above. It's probably right around here somewhere, because I got that side camera right here where the light is. I have it set so as soon as I go in, it's looking up and out. So I actually turn it towards the front, and now we'll turn it up, and right there it is. Okay, well, you saw how it worked. Works pretty good. It's definitely something, you know, that anybody in the repair industry or apartment maintenance, you know, would use. Plumber, HVAC guy, anybody, electrician. If you're trying to do something and you got a wall there that you need to know what's behind there or locate something, perfect tool for that, definitely. And once again, this model here, Depstech DS350. So I'll leave a link down below. You guys can check them out and get one if you would like. Pretty cool tool. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.